ice cream sandwiches. We're using our chocolate wafers. So again, you can make these with any flavor you want. Vanilla, chocolate, you can roll them. Each sandwich gets about 2 ounces of ice cream. You can sell them individually or put them directly into the 6-pack sandwich trays. So people do a lot of different ones. We can roll them in all different things. You can roll them in rainbow sprinkles. Now it's important to make sure that everything is cold while you're doing it. So as long as your sandwich wafers are cold, the ice cream won't slide off. Again, we have some chocolate crunchies over here. You can do chocolate chips, all different things, whatever fits. You don't want anything. M&Ms and those things tend to be a little heavy and they don't really hold well to the ice cream sandwiches. So. Once you put them in your ice cream, in your 6-pack trays, fold up your tray, and it's important you put these in the freezer and make sure they are vertical at this point in time so that they freeze without the ice cream sliding and hitting that plastic in any